I am Naseem Siddiqui for my third lecture on English pronunciation. Thanks for comments on the previous two lectures. Now we come to diphthong. It is defined as a combination of two vowel sounds or letters. First of all, we are going to discuss double E, EA, EI, and IE. All these diphthongs have the same sound. For example, meet, beat, deep, seem, deem, seek. But this sound changes if the last letter is R. For example, beer, dear, jeer, peer, seer. It means prophet. Then we have EA diphthong, meet, beat, seat, feet. That means scale, deal, heat. Again with R, it is near, beard, feet, scale, dear, here, gear. Exceptions are death, breath, break, feather. There is a phrase I before E, but not after C. For example, believe, retrieve, chief, thief, relief, niece, grief. EI after C as in receive, deceive, conceive, perceive, ceiling. Double O as in boot, moot. It means to raise for discussion. Root, moose. It means a large deer. Suit. Now we come to OU as in mouth, trout, crouch, lower the body, bout, pounce, clout, trounce, renounce, announce. Then EU as in leukocytes, neutral, rheumatism, neuralgia, deuce, feud. EU as in bauxite, aluminium ore, caught, daunt, it means discourage, gaudy, laudable, fraught means filled, cauldron, and gaunt, that means lean. Exceptions is the only exception, gauge. There is the only exception, gauge, G-A-U-G-E. Diphthong with one or two consonants, OUS, as in jealous, envious, precocious, anxious, enormous, tremendous, ferocious. CIAL as in beneficial, artificial, superficial, social, crucial, facial, judicial. Then TION as in station, emotion, function, elevation, superstition, corruption. OE as in foe, ho, woe, row. That means deer. OA as in horde, roar, whore, grey or white, board, broad, broadcast, broadside. AU as in gaunt, thin, daunt, discourage, haunt, visit repeatedly, fauna, animals of the area, faucet, for controlling water. Now we come to diagraphs. Diagram means two consonants that combine to represent one sound. For example, SH as in shine, shimmer, it means shine with wavering light, shake, shudder. The same sound with SH ending as in push, bush, crush, hush, and blush. CH as in charity, challenge, chamber, church. The same sound with ch ending as in drench, French, branch. Then ch as k sound as in chemistry, chaos, chameleon, epoch, lark, a lake in Scotland, mark, speed of sound, orchid, flowering plant, saccharine. Th as in then, these, wither, feather, swag, either. Th again as in think, thaw, thaw means melt, theme, thematic, thistle, thimble, thrive, thorn. Same sound when used in the end. Mirth, birth, dearth, froth, moth, north, worth. SC, S sound as in science, scepter, a rod of authority. Sciatica, pain in back or leg. Exceptions are scripture, screech, scratch, scream, script. GHF sound as in rough, cough, cough, tough, enough, slough, it means cast off skin, rough, laugh. GHF sound as in philosopher, PH, philosopher, physique, physics, phenomenon, phenomenal, extraordinary, pheasant, photograph, photography, philanthropist, PH in the end as in epitaph, graph, morph, it means change, morphology, study of animals, GH silent as in bow, doe, plow, also as in caught, naughty, haughty, fought. UE silent as in unique, boutique, physique, antique, fatigue, critique, critical review,